Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make kanitama. Kani means crab and tama is egg. So it's like a crab omelette with soy sauce glaze on top. It's very popular menu at Chinese restaurant, but this simplified version is easy enough to do it at home. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this kanitama, so stay with me till the end. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 2 servings. 4 eggs, crab sticks, it's about 100 gram, green onion, 2 tablespoons each of vinegar, rice vinegar, soy sauce and sugar, 1 tablespoon potato starch or cornstarch. Green onion first. Cut the bottom off, cut them in half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together and slice thinly. Put it in the large bowl, big enough to put all the eggs and crab sticks. Tear the crab stick into strips and put it into the bowl. Let's put the eggs. Give it a nice mix. And a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Heat up some vegetable oil or sesame oil or both in the frying pan over medium heat. I'm doing half and half today because I love the flavor of the sesame oil. So half a tablespoon vegetable oil, half a tablespoon sesame oil. Let's put the egg mixture. Try to make a pancake like this. When the bottom side is well cooked, nice and firm, flip it over. Cook the other side to your favorite consistency. Looks good, so let's slide it out to the serving plate. The omelette is ready, so let's make the soy sauce glaze. 150 milliliter cold water into the cold frying pan, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon potato starch or cornstarch. And mix it well before you turn the heat on. It's cloudy now. Turn the heat on and cook it over medium heat until it's thick and clear as you constantly mix it. Almost there. It's thick and clear, so it's done. Let's put the soy sauce glaze on the crab omelette. And kanitama is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Fluffy egg, soy sauce glaze, and umami from crab sticks are so well cooperated and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Kanitama is a main dish, so it goes here. plain rice and vegetable miso soup here and here. Some sort of pickles for one of the side dish. Sorry, no video for this one yet. For the other side dish, how about spinach with sesame sauce? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!